The sixth meeting of the first session of the East African Legislative Assembly, EALA, sitting here in Kampala, was officially opened by President Yoweri Museveni afternoon. In her speech to the East African Legislative Assembly Parliament, Speaker of the Ugandan Parliament, Rebecca Kadaga, urged the legislators to fast-track the removal of non-tariff barriers in the East African community.
I call upon the Legislative Assembly to address the need to implement the Convention of Transit of Goods to Landlocked Countries.
East African Legislative Assembly Speaker Margaret Ziwa stressed that the Assembly has already passed a number of crucial bills in its 1 year in office, such as the East African Control Bill.
The time has come for the East African region to collectively seek permanent solutions to the removal of the non-tariff barriers.
Ziwa also called for the immediate facilitation of the regional railway network to improve the movement of goods and services.
We call on the summit specifically to establish a railway fund. As Jeffrey Sachs points out in his book, The End of Poverty, can we make it happen in our lifetime?
In his address, President Yoweri Museveni called on Africa to ignore the borders and redefine its priorities just as the Asian countries. This, he said, would only be possible with political integration.
Is a very strong factor in this struggle for empowering Africa and causing socio-economic transformation in the continent.
The president also called for the economic integration, cautioning against unnecessary non-tariff barriers. Museveni also reiterated the need for the fast-tracking political integration through the formation of the East African Federation.
You should use this body to, first of all, mobilize the East Africans for the further economic and political integration.
Museveni is the current chairman of the East African Community, which is a regional intergovernmental organization binding Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, and Burundi. The treaty for the establishment was signed in November 1994. Rwanda and Burundi joined in 2007. Maurice Ochol, NTV at Parliament.